Factories come up. The early entrepreneurs. The first cotton mill in India was established in Bombay in 1854, followed by 4 more by 1862. The first jute mill was set up in Bengal in 1855. The Elgin mill in Kanpur was set up in 1860s. Ahmedabad's first cotton mill came up a year later. By 1874, Madras's first spinning and weaving mill started production. In late 18th century, the British were exporting opium to China and importing tea for England from there. Indian businessmen who set up industries had initially aided the British in China trade by providing finance, procuring supplies and shipping consignments. Growing affluent, they established industries in India. Dwarkanath Tagore and Marwari businessman Seth Hukumchand in Bengal and Parsis like Dinshaw Petit and Jamsetji Nusserwanji Tata in Bombay are some prominent businessmen who set up industries. Merchants in Madras traded with Burma, Middle East and East Africa. Though Indians financed and arranged capital for Indian industries, they had no say in decision-making. European managing agencies like Bert Hegler's and Company, Andrew Yule and Jardine Skinner made decisions regarding investments and capital. The European merchants and industrialists had their Chamber of Commerce, which did not allow membership to Indian businessmen. Where did the workers come from? Most of the workers in these industries came from neighboring districts and villages. Loss of hereditary occupations pushed them to industrial centers. Industrialists employed factory workers through a jobber who would source workers from his village. Jobbers often demanded money and gifts in return of favors done.